All right, everybody, welcome back to Auto Auction Rehabs here in Dale, Texas, the Austin branch of IAA Insurance Auto Auctions. First and foremost, thank you very much to the staff here at IAA in Dale, Texas, and to the corporate office for allowing me to be here. I really do appreciate it. One of the first ones I want to look at, I actually started looking at this one off camera, and I had a Nissan Altima, and I'm going to tell you, I really like the Altima. I drove that thing thousands and thousands of miles back in 2008 or 2011. I don't remember which year it was, but I put a lot of miles on it. And the only thing I ever had to do is put a few sets of tires, do a few oil changes myself, you know, air filters, whatnot. The thing ran great. It was 2.4, I believe. So what's going on with this one? Well, this is a 2021 Nissan Altima. It's a run and drive, no biohazard, 51,000 miles. And what's wrong with it? This. Now it's saying, I think it's saying replace the door, but I'm not sure. You know, I might, if I got this car, I might just, you know, hammer and dolly that out the best I can, and maybe spray from here across and call it good. It doesn't have to be perfect. But this being a 2021, I don't know how cheap it's gonna get, but let's take a look at it. I'm really... All right, let's come back here because we just had a power failure with the GoPro. Battery ran out. So we're looking at the C250 Mercedes-Benz. Nice moonroof. Clear coat didn't do so well, and there's parts in the front seat, so your rear bumper cover is in the front seat, so we're not going to get in there and take a look around. I was hoping to do that, but wow, look at the paint job on this. This must be a respray that might not have been prepped properly. I don't believe that Mercedes, I've never seen a Mercedes-Benz do that. So it's a 2014 C250 with 107,901 miles. It is a run and drive, and it has keys, and there is an engine start video online. If you want to take a look at the engine start video, go online, research the car, find the red Mercedes C250, and you can hear the engine run. It doesn't look like it's going to be that bad of a fix. Yeah, you need to do some pulling over here, and I don't even think you need a trunk lid, because yes, there's a little damage, but no, it's not to the point where you'd need to replace it, I don't think. Yeah, not a bad car, not a bad car. Let's continue our walk around. I was going to show you this over here. A little bit of carnage on the Chevy. It smacked into something pretty good there, or pretty bad, we should say, really, right? Yep. Tahoe with some front end damage. LS version. Walk along here. If there's something in this video that you guys spy and really want me to take a look at it, I can always come back and do so. What have we got there? What do we have here? Something magic. Magic wasn't working out for him that day, was it? Spider magic. Spider Magic, maybe? Looks like X-Spider Magic to me. Anyway, it's a 2019 Ford Mustang. Is a theft recovery. Well, I'm gonna say that whoever thefted it did the typical Mustang thing. Too much power. Let's see what we got underneath there. An EcoBoost. Well, maybe they ran with it and couldn't control it. That would be my guess. But it's a crazy green color. I don't know what they call the color. We can't get in it because it is full of parts and bags and stuff in there, and the seats pushed forward with stuff behind it. We can't even get in to take a look. The color is what caught my eye, and the writing on the front here. But there you go. If you need Mustang parts for the EcoBoost, you might be able to pick that up nice and cheap. All right, and keeping on the Mustang theme, let's look at the GTCS convertible Mustang. '2009 Mustang. Wow, 2009. It looks like it's been sunbaked for sure. The seats need replacing or recovering. 2009 Mustang convertible. Maybe it got parked outside with the top down for the longest time. The convertible doesn't look too bad, but it would probably need to be replaced as well. It's got some garage door dings. I'm guessing that might be from the handle of the garage door when the automatic door came down. I only know this because, yeah, well, it happened to me. So there we go. GTCS. Gran Turismo convertible something. You know, it's not even auction day or the day after or the second day after, and they are moving cars. It's got a shaker stereo system. Yep. Show you guys the inside. Automatic transmission. Possibly a 4-speed. Not bad, not bad. Let's see if we can look under the hood and see what it's got going on underneath there. Now, a lot of these have the windshield wiper up. And I don't know if that's a message to the guys that are driving the loaders or not. But we need to put that down to open the hood. And remind me to put it back up before we leave here. What do we got? It's powered by Ford. Is it a 5-liter? 4.6. 4.6, same as what came in the Crown Vics. Very nice. That's a pretty darn big valve cover. They've incorporated a lot into that. Nice, very nice. Okay guys, this is my last partially charged battery, so we're gonna have to end this day on a high note. I think I've only got 10% left in this battery that I charged while I was having my lunch. I might be able to get into this door. Let's open the rear and see. I mean, it's brand new. It's brand new. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. What are you gonna expect? Let's see if they trashed the steering column. So here's what I was gonna say before GoPro shut me off. There's different kinds of stolen. There's stolen because you left it running. There's stolen because your stuff got repossessed and you didn't, yeah, right, you didn't know it. But you can claim you didn't know it. Or 900 miles, shoot, somebody could put 900 miles on it in a couple of days. They got it from the dealer, and lo and behold, something went wrong with credit. They said, come on, bring the truck back. They said, nope, I'm not going to bring it back. So the dealership reports it stolen. I don't know if they can do that. That would be more of a civil matter. Or the dealer sent a truck out to pick it up and the owner reported it stolen and it's just the dealer that picked it up, or the lender. I'm not saying that happened here. What I'm saying is those are the kinds of things that do happen. You're supposed to do your due diligence and determine whether or not the truck is, or any vehicle that's being reported stolen, excuse me, any vehicle that's being reported stolen, you're supposed to check and see what the financial situation is on it. And the detective would confirm that with the lender, but by then it's already in the system because you have about an hour to get it in the system. That looks kind of old considering it's only got 900 miles on it. But there is no key in the column. It's a remote fob. You just have a push to start and the key is with it. So that tells me that maybe the dealership retained a key. I don't know. We could guess all day long. You know, it's got a couple little things in there. Probably still has the books in here. No? No? But, I mean, it looks and smells brand new in here still. It's got an oil change sticker. All right, wait a minute. Next service is due at 35,000 miles on July of 23. So that mileage that showed up on there was not accurate. Well, guys, I'm running out of batteries. I've got to go back to the truck and get batteries that have been on the charger. I really do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so very much. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate that. And thank you to IAA here in Dale, Texas, the Austin branch of IAA, and to the corporate office for letting me come out here. Thank you all very much. We'll be back again real soon on the next one. Okay, it's in a language that I cannot understand. We'll turn that off. And the true mileage came up as 29,000 miles. So that makes more sense. One of that mileage that popped up before, it said true. And maybe it said trip. And I didn't read it real well because I'm standing so far back, and my bifocals sometimes blur things up for me. So I probably said trip, and what the actual mileage is 29,000. So that makes a lot more sense. But it's still perfectly clean car. Absolutely clean car. It's a theft recovery. The dash has not been destroyed. The column has not been destroyed. It's a push button. I'm guessing there was a key fob involved in all of that. Glove boxes are empty. And there's no damage to the outside that I can see. So, if you're okay with the theft recovery, I'm going to say this one would definitely be something to look forward to. It's a 2021 Silverado that you can do research online and find out all about it. And there we go. Well, I'm afraid I'm down to 6% battery right now, and that's my last battery. So I must say thank you very much for watching. I appreciate the new subscribers. I really appreciate the staff here at IAA in Dale, Texas, and the corporate office. And I don't know where the corporate office is, but thank you very much. I do appreciate you. And we will be back soon with more videos from IAA, the Austin branch in Dale, Texas. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you real soon again on the next one.